Jameson's giant train layout, Thomas layout. Hours in the making, lots of design work, and a giant living room. Well, let's have Gordon going. Start Gordon up. Start Gordon. We want to see Gordon run. Are we going to see some crashes?
Nope. Maybe.
I hear Gordon. Let's follow Gordon. He's going to go around behind the sofa. Wow. Oh, you're in the video. Okay, there's Gordon. Oh, somebody's stuck on the bridge. Wait, where did Gordon go? Gordon's by the sofa. Oh, he's out already. He's too fast. He's in high speed mode. Can we have the trains go past the car crossing? Are we going to have a crash?
No, we're not.
No crash. Crash averted. Here's a cool. Wow. Nice job. Is Cranky working? Oh, he is working.
No. Yes.
What happened to Cranky? Oh, we have a crash on the bridge.
I knew we were going to have crashes.
But wait, are we going to have a... Are we going? Oh, he's... Are we going to have the train go in the car section? You were going to send him down there. You can send him down. Let's go.
Hey!
Keep sending him down here. Come on, hurry up. We're making a video and it's not very exciting. We need more action. Get Gordon going faster.
Yeah.
I switched the track so Gordon just switch. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Gordon's going to go a different way. Leave it. It's okay. All right, let's see the car section. Oh, he's not going in the car section. We didn't fix it. Wait. Here it is. Okay. Someone's going in there.
Instead of saying I called you, say I'm more serious.
Okay. All right. Well, this ends the Jameson special giant train layout recording. Good job, Jameson. Say goodbye.
Bye.